Hi guys! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Well, today guys, I'm here in front of a Best Buy store. I'm here parking at the parking lot. I'm going inside to pick up the item that I just purchased, and I just received an email notification that it's ready for pickup. That's why I'm here. So, let's go guys! Okay, we're here inside Best Buy guys. I'm gonna fall in line to pick up the item. I'm picking up an order. I'm gonna do an unboxing once I get home. I'm home now and I would like to unbox this Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. And also I'm going to set this up on my desktop computer and see how this camera works. This is just a plug and play webcam, so it's pretty easy to use. There's no software installations or anything like that. The reason why I get this webcam guys is for my desktop computer, so I can able to stream and record some video for my YouTube channel. So let's start it guys. So this is how the box looks like guys. Resolution is 1080p, 30 FPS. It's a USB plug and play webcam guys. It has an advanced captured software. Here we go guys. Oh, the webcam and the cable wire with a USB. I forgot to mention guys that this specific webcam comes with a tripod. I guess this is it. Here you go guys. It's pretty cute. It is a very cute tripod. Look at that, how cute it is. And you can stretch it a little longer. That's nice. Here you go. And you can see this hook here guys. I have to remove this plastic first. Look at that guys. This is where you can clip this webcam to your laptop or to your desktop computer. You see that guys, that hole there, that's where you hook this up together if you don't want to clip it to your laptop or desktop computer. If you just want it to be on the tripod itself. Of course, you have to plug this into your USB port to be able to use the webcam. This is a pretty cool webcam guys because it comes with this little tiny tripod, and it also comes with this paper stuff. So that is all inside the box guys. Let's go guys, and I will try to set this up on my desktop computer. Okay, let's start and set this up guys right here. Okay, I have to remove this twisty thingy first. There you go. Okay, I got my USB port here. Let's plug it in. It says we're setting up C922 Pro Stream. It says device is ready. Logitech capture To experience the full functionality of your Logitech webcam, we highly recommend installing Logitech Capture. To install Logitech Capture, click install below. And let's do that, guys. As I understand that this Logitech C922 is a plug and play, that I don't have to install anything, but I guess this is an optional and I want to do it. It says it's highly recommended. It's loading. We are downloading and installing Logitech Capture. Welcome to Logitech Capture. By clicking install, you agree to the terms of the end user license agreement. Let's install it. No. Logitech Capture is installed. Okay, that's good. So I just want to use that webcam guy on his own tripod. And let's see how this one works. Hi guys! Now I'm using my Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. Oh my god guys, I really like it. Can you see that? I like the brightness, the texture, and it has an autofocus. See that? It focused on my hand. And it focused my face now. Oh my god, this is so cool. I really do like it, guys. The price on the specific webcam, guys, is $99. It's kind of pricey, and it's worth it, guys, on every dollar you spend on this webcam. Yes, I like it, guys. Now I can do live streaming on my desktop computer. Okay guys, that is all for today, and I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up. Thank you for watching guys, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye guys.